Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, NPM or Yarn, Composer, and a Laravel 8+ project. Once ready, create a React scaffold inside resources/js or a sibling client folder with Create React app, and make sure package JSON scripts exist. Next, install Axios and React Router if needed. Run npm install in the React folder. Also, enable Laravel Mix or Vite in the backend so you can compile front-end assets. These first moves let you work on both sides concurrently. Once done with scaffolding, define your API endpoints in routes/API. PHP and return JSON from controllers. This sets the contract between client and server. Next, configure cores and set Axios default so React calls http://localhost 8000/API. Make sure to use the correct port. For authentication, choose Sanctum for SBA session cookies or JWT for token flows. Implement middleware on Laravel routes. Finally, wire Axios interceptors to attach tokens and handle 401 responses, so requests remain reliable. You finalize by integrating build and deploy. Choose Vite or Mix, run npm run build for production, and serve Laravel via Nginx or PHP Artisan serve. Once deployed, make sure app URL and API base URLs match and that static assets are served correctly. For SI, automate npm and Composer installs, then migrate. Troubleshooting tip: if calls fail, inspect browser network headers, check cores, CSRF tokens, cookie same site, and HTTP versus HTTPS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.